This lesson is 11.4 in Go Math on the homework page. The directions say, well, the title is Join and Separate Angles. The directions say add to find the measure of the angle. Write an equation to record your work. So if we look in example 1, we have the measures of angle ABC to be 50 degrees and CBD to be 75. And we're looking for the total angle. So all we have to do is just add those two parts. So 50 plus 75 is 125 degrees. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Everybody right? Actually, let's do number 3. That looks more exciting because it has 3 angles that we're going to do. So it says, find the measure of angle KLN. So all of this, we're going to look for all of this. So that means we're going to add. Very good. So let's do 30. I like to add going down. So 30 plus what? 90 plus 45. Okay. So 5 plus 0 is what? 5. If I write, you should write. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So I just found the measure of KLN to be 165 degrees. Okay, very good. Let's look at the next section. It says use a protractor to find the measure of each angle in the circle. So first of all, how many degrees in the measure of a circle? A whole circle. Yeah, so it's going to have to add up to be 360 degrees exactly. So what I'll do is I'll help you with the first measure of the angle. So I would take my protractor and let's find angle ABC. This is the biggest one. So go ahead and put your protractor on there. Line up your angles. Okay, line up the vertex with the center. And now is that acute or obtuse? It is obtuse, and it looks like it measures to be what, 115 or 65? 115. Yeah, because it's obtuse. So this is going to be 115 degrees. So I write over here 115 degrees. Now you're going to go ahead and measure the rest of those and get exactly as you can because it has to add up to be 360 degrees even. Okay, then number 8, Ned made the design at the right. Use a protractor. Find and write the measure of each of the 3 angles. Now we have to remember, they are going to have to add up to be what? Think and say. It's going to have to add up to be 180 degrees. So be as careful as you can so that those measures of the angles add up to be 180 exactly. And if they don't, you're going to have to recheck your measurements. All right, ready and go.